Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I am not here basically. This is a lawyer basically will brief you if there is anything.
This is the original copy of the complaint. So they said they will produce it today. What has happened? They have not come up with the original copy of the complaint. So that's why the court said this is the last opportunity to you. I am granting the last opportunity for production of the original copy of the complaint. So let them search for it, then we'll see. Otherwise they have to move application for substitute service. The court says. He said he will move it otherwise.
Court was also angry that there is direction of the High Court to expedite.
Yeah, the court, there is 1 year direction for this honorable court to decide the matter. Now they could not, because of this situation, because CBI is taking time, because 21 days there was a time then to search for the court. Why the court said this? Because there was a gap of 21 days in between. So they were to arrange something. Otherwise they could have filed application. So they did not. That's why the court said they will deal strictly with this.
So when is the next date of hearing?
2nd December morning.